is July 5th, 2021. This is an area I got a call from a guy I worked for before. He's got a shower on the first floor, and it seems to be dripping all the time.
Right corner mile. Turn left on Barnes Corner Mall Road. Then take the ramp on the right.
Oh, I think he said it was getting no hot water. Just cold, no hot water. So, supposedly he tried to send me pictures, email me some pictures, but it never come through on the phone. So, I'm on my way over there to find out what kind of valve it is. And
Barnes Corner Mall Road. Then
see if we can fix it.
On the right.
It's Molly, it's working again, y'all. Nice and cool today. I think it's only going to be like probably 75 the high today, so next couple of days is supposed to go back up close to 90, but today's going to be cool. So I got Miss Molly with me. She goes with me on the cool days. Oh yeah, you love pets, Miss Molly. You love being petted. Oh yeah, you love being petted. Got Mr. Grinch and Gumby. We're all going working hard today, you know. Not easy being cheesy. Yeah, that's a Moen. That should be a Moen. And we're gonna have to shut the water off. Definitely a Moen. I should have. Let me check, make sure I got that in the truck, but I'm thinking I do. Yeah, that's a Moen. So I got the different Wolverine, diverters, American Standard. There's Moen. There we go. That's the one I need right there. Posi Temp. I got all kinds of different ones in here. I got American Standard, Delta. Okay, Wolverine brass. This is all different kinds. Ain't easy being cheesy, Mama. Miss Molly, hello there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there, cutie pie. No coat on today? No?
This too, with 23andMe.
Really?
Yeah, the only one I had was macular degeneration of the eyes, so my eye doctor checked it out.
Well, that's not good.
No, but at least I didn't have anything else.
You'd probably rather not know, huh?
Well, one of my cousins was in Germany in the army and apparently fathered a child.
Oh, really? You didn't even know about it?
And it showed up because she had her DNA tested.
Uh-oh. He's in trouble.
And that's the family members.
Oh, really? DNA?
So she's been writing to...
Well, this thing's kind of spongy, huh?
Yeah.
Holy shit. I mean, I'm stepping on it and it's moving.
Yeah, we know.
See if we can fix this thing.
Did you have relatives in Texas at one time?
I did, yeah, my brother.
Yeah,
He ended up dying.
and there was Deborah.
Yeah, that's my sister-in-law.
Yeah, she's in Texas.
My brother, yeah.
I found them through this.
He kicked the bucket. Had a heart attack, massive heart attack at 43. Done.
At 43. Wow.
Yeah, young. Yeah, it's kind of a shocker. Yeah, but he is in great shape and everything, right? I guess that don't mean nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got my, I got somebody that's working on that family tree thing and wanted me to get involved with it. I tried to do a little bit of it, but it was like kind of, just seemed, wasn't easy. It seemed complicated. I guess maybe you gotta know all the tricks, huh?
Yeah, and some of the shortcuts. French Canadians too used to have 3 first names because they'd have the name of a saint, the name of the godparent, and then the given name. And then some would use one of the names, and on other records it'd be another name. So
I don't know. I don't even have a middle name because my last name's so long. My father didn't give me a middle name.
yeah, I didn't have a middle name either.
Which I thought was a little odd. Everybody asked me, what's your middle name? I don't have one. Well, I had asked my father, I says, yeah, how come I don't have a middle name? And that's what he told me. He says, well, your last name's so long. You know, think about it.
Yeah. And then a lot of English people have trouble pronouncing it too.
Alright, and then we're just off there a little bit. I'm going to mark that so I know where to put it.
Do you still speak French?
No.
No?
I wish I did, but I don't.
In French, your name would be lavimoniere.
That's how I say it, basically. Yeah, lavimoniere. Lavimoniere. Alright, so the water is off. Let's see if we can get that pin out of there.
You've been in shower stalls installed by bath fitter before and the bottom hasn't been spongy?
Well, I don't know about that. Those seem a little spongy to me. Did you say anything to the guy? What did he say?
No, we never even used it. The only reason we found out it wasn't working is my grandkids slept over one night and used it, and they said you're only getting cold water in the downstairs.
Yeah, I would have complained to this sucker. I mean, I'm in here standing on the whole thing's mush, moving around on me. I mean, that's not cool.
And they gave us a lifetime warranty.
Did they?
Yeah.
So now, was there another thing under this and they put this over it?
It used to be a bathtub. They took the bathtub out.
Yeah.
And this went right on the floor, but they put these...
yeah, but what I'm saying is I'm stepping on the sides here and the whole thing's moving.
Spongy. They got like spongy things underneath it.
It shouldn't be spongy.
No?
I don't think that that's supposed to be like that, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't know what the deal with the spongy thing is. I would have complained to him. I would have asked the guy, what's going on with this? How come I'm stepping and it's moving? What do I know? I got the piece here, and that should do it. Let's see. Let's see if we get this thing to pull out of here. Cartridge puller. It's coming out. Oh yeah, I got the shit in here. Wow. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Maybe if I can spin it.
You got relatives named
Put that shit in there. Wow.
Oh, block.
Well, it's got some muck in there, but we'll be alright. Not being used. See all that cholesterol?
Yeah.
Look at it all. That shit that's always in there. See it?
Because it's not being used. Eh?
Well, gotta use it, yeah.
Yeah.
Either use it or lose it. You ever hear that saying?
Yeah. Do you have relatives named Whitlow?
Yeah, that's my sister.
She did your whole family tree for you.
Oh, she did?
I printed it out for you.
Oh, okay. That's my sister.
Yeah, she did a heck of a good job.
Did she?
Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, she's got... yeah, you got your Pelletier side, and she's got the Levesque side. She got, wow.
Really?
She did a lot of work on this.
Good for her.
And she's got a whole bunch of records, too, that she looked up, too. Even your father's Navy records she's got.
Really?
Yeah.
So she did a good job at it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Good for her. About time she does something worth a while. I'm just joking.
Wow, he was 17 when he joined the Navy during World War II.
Oh, my father?
Yeah.
So you just weren't getting any hot water out of it, right?
Yeah, we were getting plenty of cold water.
No hot.
But no hot water.
Does come with some lube too in this thing. I got my own. Well, this one you only can put it in one way. It says up. Hot and cold, so it's got to go in this way. Okay, put a new fork in there. I do. That's one thing I do is have a lot of.
Only one brother, but
Yeah, he died. Unfortunately, he didn't. You never know. I mean, you think everybody's doing good, right? And the next thing you know, it's boom, right?
yeah. You got Thibault in your family too. Teresa Germaine Thibault. Most of your last names in your family are from Quebec, but Thibault is an Acadian name.
Really? So I got the stuff that tells you where they were from Quebec?
Well, I just, because of my history of, knowledge of history and family names, I know that the Thibaults are Acadian.
So my sister did that. I'm surprised.
Yeah, she put a lot of work into it. She got quite a bit.
Good for her.
I only printed out one generation here, but she's got way back, going way back.
Really?
I didn't go out far back. Your mother died in Boston.
Yeah.
1973, March 5th. 46?
Yeah.
Wow.
She died the same age, my brother died the same age as my mother.
Wow.
That was young, yeah, she died young. 46.
Even your grandfather died at 52.
Which grandfather? On her side?
Alphonse, lavimoniere.
Oh, I thought he was older than that. That's it, 50? How much?
52 in 1979.
Wow, I thought he was older than that. I'm older than he was.
Yeah, your dad.
Ain't that weird how that works, huh?
Your dad made it to 76. 2003, Port Charlotte, Florida.
Alright, so let's we'll turn the water back on. We'll make sure hot and the cold is mixing right. And if the hot and the cold is backwards, you just have to spin this 180. We'll check it. It's kind of interesting to find out a family tree, huh? Who died at what time and all that shit.
You
No?
You inherit 50% of your genes from your mother and 50% from your father. But you get the X and Y gene. Your sister only inherits the X gene. Because girls don't have the Y chromosome.
Yeah, so I'm probably not going to live too long.
Well, you and your brother may not have inherited the same genes.
Well,
You each got half of your
I go to the hot doctor, but I never a problem with me, so I don't know. Turn the water back on and we'll check it. says he don't use the shower that much, so I see like a lot of buildup in there. Sounds like your cat's having his way down there in the basement, pissing all over. No?
The cats.
Your cat smells like your cat's down there pissing.
Yeah, that's why my son's girlfriend was living down there. She had cats. It still smells down there?
I gotta do something with their heads, probably blocked too. Loaded with stuff. Wow.
Needs a new head.
I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of shit in there, guy. Let's see if I can clean it out. It's just full of dirt. Don't take much to block that screen up, does it? Yeah, it works a lot better now. Oh yeah, if you ever seen the stuff that's inside the streets, it's like blocked, half blocked with stuff.
Yeah, it looks like having
Alright, that's cold. And we go all the way, and that should give us the hot. Yeah, so it's working right now. That's hot. That's cold. Alright, well that's good. Working now.